G'day folks, this afternoon I'm doing a little bit of exploratory trout fishing. I'm going exploring in this stream behind me. I can hear it, but I can't see it.
For goodness sake, Robbie, will you hurry up and use those lures people sent you?
Right, yeah, look at the sweat on my forehead. It is crazy humid. It's around about 28, 29 degrees, but the humidity is just terrible and there are storms forecast. Hopefully I don't get caught. Anyway, the stream I want to fish is in behind there. I can't see it, but I can hear it. I have fished this stream quite a few times in various places, never this exact spot. I have fished just downstream probably 4 or 5 years ago. It's a bit bigger than some of the streams I can fish, so I'm hoping it's not going to be too overgrown. Let's go and see if we can find our way in. Loretta just called. I'm actually surprised I've got any phone service here. But the phone rang, it was Loretta, and she told me that she can hear thunder. So there could be some storms on the way. Right, now today I'm going to be spinning. I'm using a bladed spinner. This is a number 0 Super Vibrax in gold colour, golden red. This was sent to me by Dan Johansen, Viking Dan. This came as a gift pack from Dan a while back, which came just at the right time. I was kind of hoping I might be able to get to the creek in this little bit of a dip here, but it's not looking good. I might be able to. Now I'm in. This creek does see quite a bit of fishing pressure. Where I am here, this sort of cast here is better suited to a soft plastic than a bladed spinner. Because I need a bladed spinner to sort of sit parallel in the water to spin properly. Whereas a soft plastic I can jig it up and down like that, which is what I'm doing anyway. Right, now there's quite a well-worn track into here, and there was also a few footprints in the mud back there. They didn't look like they were really fresh. I'm guessing they might have been from last weekend. In a recent video, I talked about footprints meaning second-hand water. So it's not always the case. Sometimes gold prospectors will come in and look for gold in some of these streams as well. So footprints don't always mean second-hand water. But if you see footprints like I did on the way in here, it's just worth remembering, just in case the fishing is slow, because that might be why. Probably not gonna catch it. Oh, yes I am. Oh! I was just about to say I'm probably not gonna catch a fish here, but I'm hoping to just get a follow and see one. And I did, I actually did. One came out and hit me spinner. The chances of actually catching one just there are very, very low, but I'm just happy to see one. That's the first hurdle crossed. Right, I know there's fish here. Just don't know whether I can get upstream, but I know there's fish here. Wow. This stream is proving to be tricky. Now what I've got to remember, apart from the fact that snakes probably live here as well, is that there's thunderstorms on the way. I don't really want to get, if I'm in a spot like this when a thunderstorm hits, I've got no choice but to just get a wet ass. Well, I'm through. I made it through. Got to be a fish in there, doesn't it? Surely. Look at that. Bang, got him, got him, got him, got him. Not even a follow. I'll cast into here while I'm balancing on this log before I walk up too much and spook the water. Oops, where'd that go? Try that again. Come on. Got him. Yes, there was one there. It was not a bad fish too, look. Oh, he got off.
Got him. Yes, there was one there. It was not a bad fish too, look.
Did you see that? He was a nice brown. He was probably 30 centimetres. I think he drags a bit loose. I'll just tighten it up just a little bit. Sometimes I think if the drag's too loose, the hooks don't set properly in the fish's mouth. And I reckon that may be the case what happened just then. He was a real nice brown. Bugger. Bugger, 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 bugger. Oh well, I've found 2 fish Both of them have hit my lure. One of those two has hooked up, but neither of those two have been landed. In case you're wondering what camera settings I'm using my GoPro Hero 7. I'm shooting at 2.7K resolution and 60 frames per second. The 2.7K is so that I can crop in on the action for the highlights, and the 60 frames a second is so that I can slow it down for some nice smooth slow motion. Oh, got him. Oh, I lost him again. Oh. I'll crop in on that on the 2.7K. I'll be able to crop in on that. Stop letting them go, Robbie. That's 3 in the space of 10 minutes. Oh, he hit it. You come down after it. You're still following it. He's got him. Oh, he hit it there. He's in there somewhere. Another go. He hit it again. He's still following it. I can see him. Look, he's still hitting it. Look. He's just under it. Look. There we go. He just came out and had a go at it. A nice looking bit of water. Fish it from around here some sort. Got him! Little one. I've only fished the back half of the hole, so I might be in with a chance of catching 2 fish in this hole. He's the smallest trout that I've seen today. But he's the first one that I've landed. Lovely little brown. Ow! Put myself in the finger. See you later, buddy. Right. I haven't fished the top half of the hole yet, so there could be another one in here if I'm lucky. That's the first cast into that stretch of hole. Nothing come down. Gee, this is a nice pool. Beautiful water. It's not just beautiful water because it's a nice pool. It's a really decent flow of cold water. The water is really cold, and that's what trout love. Here comes one. Got him. 2 in the one hole. Oh, he got off. He got off. That's why I've said this so many times on this channel. I never just cast straight to the top. If I just cast to the top and hook that fish, then I wouldn't have had a chance to catch that little one. By fishing at the back, it gives you 2 chances to fish one hole. So always just even a hole this size, fish the bottom half first and then the top half. Make your way forward. Because if you just go up there and you hook a fish, it's great that you'll catch a fish, but you'll also spook the rest of the pool. Well, there goes a crayfish, and there's another one here. There he goes. I haven't actually got my Polaroids on. I've just got my reading glasses on because it's not a real sunny day. It's quite dull because it's about to piss down rain. I can still see, and I can see another crayfish over there. Awesome. Good to see that. I've seen 3 crayfish in this hole. Great to see. Murray crayfish. I just saw number 4. Here's another one here. There you go, folks. Look at that. I have seen 5 crayfish in this one hole, and if I pull his tail back, you'll see a heap of cackleberries. She's got bum nuts. I've seen 5 of these in the one pool. I can see another one just sitting over there now. That is such a wonderful sign of a healthy waterway. See you, love. 5 crayfish in this one pool. So in this one pool, I've seen 2 trout and 5 crays, one with eggs. How good is that? That just there looks like it might be a way out if I need one. That's good. I don't have to walk back and climb those 2 log jams. Okay, I'm still going to be walking upstream, but I know I can get out there if I need to. Like if a thunderstorm happens to show up or something. I've got an uncle named Gary. We call him Gary Bunn because he's the family weatherman. Now Gary Bunn tells me that there's no rain coming today. It's unlikely that it's going to rain. Got him. Oh, one come out and hit that then. Not enough room to work the spinner. Here he comes. He had a swipe. There's two there. One of them's actually not a bad fish. Now neither of them came out. Now there's another exit point right there where I can get out. So good. I've reset again. I don't have to walk back through all that. And the way the sky's looking, I might have to get out soon. It's got me. Oh, that was a definite bloody fish. I didn't see him, but I felt the strike. Got him. Oh, I lost him too. Oh, hooking so many and losing. But he hit it right on that little bit of a waterfall there. Look at the little blood, nicks and stuff you get. The best thing you can do for these things when you're doing this sort of fishing, blood all over my shirt, the best thing you can do is put it in the water. The water's nice and cold, and that coldness just slows the bleeding down and sort of numbs it a bit. They're only superficial scratches, they're only sort of shallow, skin deep type scratches. I can hear thunder, the sky's getting dark, I'm going to hightail. Thanks very much for watching. I've had lots and lots of follows and strikes, but I ain't actually landed one. But thanks for watching. You thought I was going to ask you to subscribe, didn't you?